Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video it is time for a new nail polish of the week color. But of course, if you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you would like to do so and become a part of my little nail family here at YouTube as well. But back to the video, because my nail polish of the week is like a series that I've been doing for the last couple of years. I try to do it weekly, at least lately, like the last year. I think I've done it almost every single week. Is like a video in which I swatch, review, talk about one specific nail polish color in my collection, do a live swatch and all that jazz. So definitely grab your nail supplies and paint your nails together with me while watching this video, because that is pretty much why I do these videos, to give you all some time to relax, to have some me time and just to paint your nails together with me, because I feel like that's a lot of fun to do. So yeah, I'm starting off with my base coat, which is from PJR Care nail polish. It is an originally Dutch brand, but you can pretty much get them too if you are at least in Europe. I'm not quite sure if they ship internationally, but if you want to order them, I do have a 25% discount code that you can use. I'm not being paid or anything like that to share that discount code with you. It is just something that the brand shared with me, so I can share it with you guys. But yeah, I'm just going to apply that to my natural nails, and as you can see here, I still have my super luscious long nails here. This is a pre-recorded video from somewhere, I think end December, begin no, it was like in January even. It was last month. I, of course, didn't had that nail tear in my ring fingernail yet. So yeah, that's why I still had my super long nails here, and it looks like they've never been shortened or broken or anything like that. But yeah, I hope to get them long and strong back to this length again soon. But the color of this week's nail polish of the week video is number 56. It is called Say Something and is from the Essence Cosmetics Shine Last and Go collection. All of their nail polishes are cruelty free, they are vegan, and they don't contain any like creepy ingredients and stuff like that. I really love that. They have been cruelty free from the beginning on, I think, which was like 17 years ago. I don't even know. Like, Essence Cosmetics is a brand that I've used ever since they started, which is a long time ago. Yes, I'm getting old. Let's just put it to that. But I really love their nail polishes, as you might have noticed on my channel, especially if you've been hanging out with me for a longer time. Essence Cosmetics and Catrice Cosmetics as well, those are like sister brands, are definitely some of my favorite brands as far as makeup, but nail polishes as well. But yeah, this color is actually the perfect like gray color that fits the Pantone 2021 color of the year like tone really well. As you can see on my right hand, I still had that like gray and yellow lemon design going on there, which was also inspired by the two new colors of the year for this year 2021. I have a full-on video on how I did that, so if you're curious about that, I will definitely let you guys know the link in the description down below, or even at the end of this video. So definitely check it out if you're done watching this video. But yeah, it's a really nice light gray color, like not super light, more of like a medium gray, but I feel like it's really wearable, and it's not like a super warm or a super cool tone color. So I think this is one of those gray tones that will suit a lot of different skin tones as well. And yeah, it's just a really nice color to have in your collection. Here on the first coat, it is not completely opaque yet, but because I do tend to work with thin coats and thin layers while applying my nail polishes, a second layer will definitely make it like 95% opaque, I'd say. Of course, the thicker of a layer that you apply, the longer it will need to be fully dry and hardened out. So if you want to prevent any like smudging or smearing or dents in your manicure, make sure to apply thin coats and to wait like 3 to 5 minutes in between every single layer before you go in with the next coat. That is something that I try to share as much as possible because I get a ton of comments and questions here on YouTube but on Instagram as well. What is going on with someone's manicure because they just can't stop like waking up in the morning and seeing loads of dents in their nail polish that they had applied the early or like the night before. So yeah, just make sure that every single coat is like almost fully dry before you go in with the next, because otherwise you're layering wet polish on top of like semi-wet polish and it will take so long to dry, and sometimes it doesn't even fully harden out either. So yeah, that's just something I want to share with you guys while watching this video, you know, just some random information that is actually pretty helpful in my opinion. But yeah, here I have already applied that second coat, and as you can see, this color is like 95% opaque. It could be a little bit more opaque if I would add a third coat. That would make it completely flawless and like not patchy or anything like that. But I feel like this second coat was good enough, especially for me on my really long nails. I didn't see like my natural smile line really peeking through or anything like that, but if you have shorter nails, like 2 thin coats and you're good to go. Of course, the Essence Shine Less Than Go collection, they say they are like a gel like nail polish. You don't have to cure these and LED or anything like that. These are regular nail polishes that air dry. Putting them in a lamp will not help at all. It won't do anything. These are regular nail polishes, so yeah. But let's continue with the application because I was already applying my top coat, which is also from PJR Care nail polish. They have my favorite base and top coat at the moment. They dry really fast and they actually prevent chipping, discoloration and tip wear pretty nicely. But as you can see in my application on my thumb, I had some glitter that was still on the brush, so that is something I want you guys to keep an eye out for as well. Make sure you clean off your base or at least your top coat brushes after you've used them with like glitters or really pigmented colors, because sometimes the pigments or the glitters in this particular case can get stuck in the bristles of the brush and it can like get stuck onto your new manicure as well. Of course, I don't really mind adding a little bit of extra glitter to my nails because I love adding glitter to my nails, and like no day is perfect without any glitter in what kind of shape or form or anything like that. But yeah, if you don't want that to happen, just make sure that you have fully cleaned off the brush before putting it back into the bottle. But yeah, that was pretty much it for this nail polish of the week video. Please let me know what you think about this color, and of course if you have any questions or anything like that, you can also let me know in the comments section down below. I really love this color. I think it is quite opaque for a very budget-proof polish. This nail polish is only €1.69 here in the Netherlands, but prices may vary where you live, but still they are really inexpensive and they're pretty easy to get by as well. If you want to know where you can get them yourself, definitely contact Essence on Instagram. I'm sure they are willing to help you out and let you know where you can find them. But yeah, once again, thank you so much for watching. I love you so much, and yeah, stay safe and healthy, and I hope to see you in one of my next videos.